Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is about our body in Spanish. So, we're going to talk about the body parts and how they're called. And of course, this is just vocabulary, but we're going to learn how to say some expressions that are like specific, to say, like, for example, like wash my hands or this kind of stuff. So, well, first of all, we have here all the vocabulary. I guess you can already figure it out. Pelo, hair, ojos, eyes, cejas, eyebrows. There are some that are like parts of the body that are like pairs, right? Like eyes is two of them. Cejas, eye, two eyebrows. Pestañas, eyelashes. So if you want to know one, well, it's not singular, so it will be ojo, ceja, pestaña. That will be the singular one. um but yeah, this is pretty easy. It's just vocabulary. You can just look that up, Google Translate, and you're gonna find the same thing. But there are some sentences like that when you talk about the body, the parts of the body, and you put an action, like to wash them, or to heal them, or to, I don't know, dry them, right? This kind of verse, if you can never use possessives. Never use the possessives. For example, in English, you say, I dry my hands, right? To dry your hands. So it's a yo me seco las manos. So I don't say yo me seco mis manos. It's like I dry my hands. You say yo me seco las manos. So let's have a look at this example. To wash your hands, yeah. Um, ella se lava las manos. So as you can see here, it's not sus manos. In English, will be she washes her hands, right? Uh, but it's not her hands. She washes the hands. So that's how we say it. Why? Why is it like that? Because when you do something to yourself, yeah, uh, it's gonna become reflexive as well, and because it's gonna be reflexive, it will be redundant to use possessive plus the possessive. It's like yo me lavo las manos. By saying yo me lavo, I'm implying that I'm washing me, like I'm washing myself, something that is mine. I'm washing me my hands. So that will be I'm washing me my hands. So we don't repeat this my hands. So always put the part of the body just with the articles, yeah, because these verbs are going to be reflexive, and it means that you are doing this to yourself. Yo me lavo las manos, ella se lava las manos, tú te lavas las manos, right? But it's always las manos, yeah. So never say sus manos, yeah. Don't use possessives for the body parts after naming the person, yeah. um, that would be it. That's how you say to wash your hands. Like yo me lavo las manos, tú te lavas las manos, ella se lava las manos, nosotros nos lavamos las manos, and so on. Yeah, that will be it. The rest is just vocabulary, and after this, you're gonna learn how to say that you are in pain, so you can use all these body parts for those sentences. Yeah, that would be it. How to practice it? Just talk about your body parts, or when you're ill or when you have a pain, use these words or this vocabulary. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and hasta luego. Bye bye.